Itchy-bitchy skin silk. Great gift. Soothe Relax. When you have that itchy-bitchy feeling, this skin silk will help you feel better fast. Very soothing when you are irritated, pissed off, tired, angry, moody or bitchy. Helps ease PMS, menopause, hot flashes, cramps, and overall rage. Perfect as a stress reliever and sleepy time inducer, this balm will relax and calm you while taking wonderful care of your skin. Full of vitamins and beneficial natural oils, the silk balms rejuvenate, heal, and protect your largest organ, skin. Naturally. Vitamin-rich natural ingredients soften, replenish, restore, and repair the most delicate, damaged, and itchy skin. 2 ounces of the natural balm can easily last as long as 10 ounces of another product diluted with water. It's really that rich. With no water to evaporate, the moisture is sealed deeply into your skin, lasting much longer. The earth offers us powerful, yet gentle, tools for healing. You'll love the way the balms make you feel, soft, healthy, healed and smooth. Made from nature's raw unrefined African shea butter selections. Made from nature's raw unrefined African shea butter selections. 16 ounces, grade A premium shea butter from Ghana, use on acne, eczema, stretch marks, rashes. Made from nature's raw unrefined African shea butter selections. Made from nature's raw unrefined African shea butter selections. 16 ounces, grade A premium shea butter from Ghana, use on acne, eczema, stretch marks, rashes. Avalon Organic Lip Balm Set with Soothing Vanilla Rosemary. Love, love, love these. Best organic lip balm or non-organic too, on the market. Wish they were a bit less expensive. Maybelline Baby Lips Moisturizing Lip Balm with Shea Butter. Maybelline Baby Lips Moisturizing Lip Balm with Shea Butter and Vitamin E, 0.15 ounce, set of 6. Alexa, organic Kona coffee scrub with Dead Sea salt. If you love the smell of coffee, then you'll love this, it smells divine. This product says it's for face and body, but I did not like the heavy oily feeling it left on my face. I couldn't wash my face fast enough. It feels fantastic from the neck down, but too heavy for my face. Correction, too heavy for my face following the package instructions. It's fine if I follow up with my usual face wash, but not just with a rinse. I haven't used this product long enough to report on any diminished cellulite. I can definitely give 2 thumbs up for exfoliation. I certainly approve of the scent. Every time I smell it, the Folgers song goes through my head. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. It really does smell like a freshly opened can of coffee. I have to take a full minute every time I open it, just to smell it. I do have one complaint. It's a typical complaint for this type of product, in this type of packaging. The granules get caught in the seal tracks and I'm unable to seal the package back up. Trying to clear all of the granules from the top is a test in patience that I don't have. However, as complaints go, that's minimal. According to the packaging, the ingredients are Dead Sea salt, organic Kona coffee, organic olive oil, organic sweet almond oil, organic grapeseed oil, coffee arabica seed oil, organic shea butter, cacao powder, coconut flakes. I received this product through a promotional discount in exchange for an honest review. Body Wonders Shea Butter 16 ounces. Body Wonders Shea Butter 16 ounces. Jar pure raw African shea butter for hair, body, Face and DIY products 100% pure and virgin organic African shea butter. Every jar of Body Wonders shea butter contains nothing else but 100% pure and virgin organic shea butter with no artificial additives, ingredients of any kind and no preservatives. Shea butter. Body Wonders shea butter is endless quo, organic and ars quo. It is made from only the absolute best quality African shea nuts and processed in a way to ensure all nutrients remain intact. It is also unrefined and virgin, which makes it the absolute best type of shea butter for body and hair. Benefits. Body Wonders 100% virgin shea butter has a light yellow color and pleasant nutty scent. Shea butter is rich in vitamins and have great antioxidant and emollient properties. Shea butter is great for healthy hair, skin, and nails. It may be combined with carrier oil for massages. Gently massage with shea butter may be beneficial for overall well-being. Easy to use. Just scoop out the amount of unrefined shea butter that you desire and warm it in the microwave for applying to the skin or mixing with other ingredients to make your own natural beauty products. Packaged in USA. The African shea butter is packaged in US under strict quality control guidelines. Ensure that it is as potent and pure as possible. Shea butter is a light yellow solid substance that is produced from the nuts of the African shea tree. For centuries, natives of Africa have used shea butter, raw and unrefined, as a natural beauty remedy. Scientists have found that African shea butter is rich in nutrients that are beneficial for the skin, including antioxidant vitamins A and E, which fight free radical damage and rejuvenate sun-damaged and aging skin tissue. Vitamin F, which helps to protect and revitalize stressed skin. Fatty acids that hide. Alexa, peppermint organic anti-cellulite Kona coffee scrub with. I received this product at a discounted or free rate in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. So that's what you're going to get. Where have you been all my life? I screamed at this plastic bag of Alexa coffee scrub the second I opened it. The most delicious scent I've ever encountered assaulted my senses immediately. After wetting my face, I plunged my hand into the bag, filled my fingers with the tan and brown flake scrub, and began to slowly massage my face. Using circular motions as clearly defined on the bag, I continued to give my face what I'm sure was like Christmas Day. Ending my facial massage, I rinsed it with warm water. Due to the oils in the scrub, my face reacted like a windshield with rain X on it. The water simply balled up and fell off. Intrigued, I slowly ran my hand over my face, and was met with a shock. My combination, red splotchy facial skin, was smooth and glowing. I, of course, followed with a moisturizer for added effect. This is not only the most delicious smelling, organically packed, and healthy scrub I've ever used, but it's also the most downright exciting. This has many different uses, and I will be using this on other problem areas besides my face for many days to come. Thank you for creating an amazing product, Alexa. I do have one con, though, and that is simply that the bag the scrub comes in it quite large, and there's just a little bit of scrub in the bottom. The sides, however, are covered in scrub, so when I stick my hand in to reach the scrub at the bottom, it gets covered in scrub from the sides. Smaller packaging would be ideal. Raw unrefined shea butter grade A from Ghana 2.3. The top 10 uses of shea butter: moisturizer for dry skin, eczema cream, blemish cream for softer smoother skin, for burns, wrinkle reduction cream, moisturizer for dry hair, shaving cream, anti-itch cream, stretch mark prevention cream. The shelf life of shea butter. The shelf life of shea butter is 18-24 months when kept in a cool, dry place. After that time the healing properties of shea butter are less effective, but it is still a good moisturizer. Application of the shea butter. Shea butter melts at body temperature. For easy application, warm shea butter onto palms until it is completely melted and smooth on. Shea butter absorbs quickly, penetrates deeply and coats the skin with a fine film, thereby diminishing water loss and leaving the skin softened and protected. The amazing properties of shea butter. Shea butter is the best natural product to protect, heal, and improve skin. It is prized because it contains a real cocktail of elements good for the skin. Among these, is first a very high content of essential fatty acids, more than in all other vegetable butter. These fatty acids are oleic, stearic, linoleic, and palmitic acid. They play a very important moisturizing, softening, and anti-inflammatory role, and help renew the cutaneous cells. Shea butter also contains vitamins A, D, E, and K that have a recognized effect against skin aging. It is also rich in phytosterols with protecting and regenerating virtues. The manufacturing process has a great influence on the properties and efficiency of shea butter. If it is refined or processed, it loses its vitamins and part of its efficiency. The Organic Shea Butter Company brings you a handmade certified organic shea butter that is a guarantee of purity and higher quality. Shea Nilotica 100% Pure Shea Butter 4 ounces. I have only been using this product for 2 days, and I already know I don't want to be without it. The dry, cold winter has dried up my skin so much that my usual oils are not moisturizing enough. I purchased this Shea Nilotica in hopes of giving my usual skincare regime a boost. It does not disappoint. I can already feel the difference. My cheeks aren't sensitive and dry, and my chapped hands are feeling and looking moisturized. A little bit goes a long way. It comes in an amber glass jar with screw-on lid. This very pale yellow Shea Nilotica butter is perfectly smooth and creamy soft. There is a slight odor to it, which is hard to describe in words. Maybe a combination of very slight smoky and woody aroma. Very slight, but enough that I can smell it. It's not offending at all, just a little bit of getting used to, as I have never used 100% shea butter on its own before. I am really happy and satisfied with this product, and will definitely purchase more of this brand when the time comes to replenish. Ultra moisturizing, award-winning, blissful body butter with essential sea oils. Highest quality ingredients from the world's most powerful natural source. This creamy, indulgent cleansing bar hydrates, nourishes and exfoliates the skin with a cocktail of skin-loving and detoxifying ingredients. Shea butter moisturizes, protects. Olive fruit oil repairs, soothes. Blue lotus extract naturally nourishes. Sea salt detoxifies, exfoliates. Glacial water naturally refreshes. Totally tested. Cruelty-free. Simply clean. Hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, vegan, gluten-free. No parabens, no phthalates, no animal testing, no animal-derived ingredients, no mineral oil, no synthetic dyes.